What's up guys, back for another video. Today I am going to be showing you a grinder build. What did I just do? I just broke my pen. But I'm not sure where it's what. Okay. Let me quick see something. Just give me a second. Grinding. One of them splits at 1. Switch to 3. Set out trees. Okay. So, to start off, obviously gonna have grinder protect. Who wouldn't have grinder protect? It's really good. And then, not a frag, because frags are trash. Molotovs are really good for grinder. And then for our melee, we're just gonna have tasers, because that's just what I always use from the melee. We're gonna equip this, because this is the only thing, everything else besides 2-piece suit, but we're not gonna. We're going to build somewhat of a dodge, but we're not going too crazy on dodge and a duck fix. So, to start off in my skill set, under Mastermind, we're going to buy Combat Medic, Ace, Painkillers, Ace, Combat Doctor, Ace, and Inspire, Ace. Inspire is, like, overpowered. So then we're going to come over here to Enforcer, we're going to Ace, Resilience, and then get Base Ace Transporter. Then Ace Scavenger. And then under Technician, we're going to Ace Hardware Expert and Drill Sergeant. And then under Ghost, we're going to get Basic Duck and Cover and Basic Parkour. Under Fugitive, we're going to get Ace 9 Life, Ace Running from Death, Ace Swan Song, and Ace Messiah. So we could ace these. I mean, these I think this one's really good. This one's also good. So let's, yeah. And then Ghost, we're gonna come back here and ace Ghost, because, yeah. We're gonna ace Steady Grip. And we're gonna get Basic Bullseye. And then we're gonna get, Basic Boltstorm. So, just to review, we're gonna get Ace, Combat Medic, Painkillers, Combat Doctor, and Inspire. We're going to get Ace Resilience, Basic Transporter, Ace Scavenger, Basic Bulletstorm. Then we're going to get Ace Hardware Expert, and Ace Drill Sergeant, and Ace Steady Grip. We're going to get Ace Duck and Cover, Ace Parkour. And then we are going to get Ace 9 Lives, Ace Running from Death, Ace Swan Song, Ace Pigeon Death, and Ace Messiah. And then that's it. Now for the weapons, this is stuff. So we are going to buy a new weapon. And we are going to use. Sorry, I'm buying 9 secondary. Oh, jeez, I'm kind of messed up now. We're gonna buy a new weapon. We're gonna go to shotgun. We're gonna buy the A12. Yes. Mod it as such. Ammunition, we're gonna give incendiary rounds. For barrel, we're going to give long barrel. Barrel exit is going to be the Donald's horizontal leveler. We're not going to have a boost because I don't have it. We're going to have auto fire. We're not going to have the gadget because we don't really need one. We are going to have drum mag. And we are going to have this sight, the compact hole sight. Well, it's really just a sight of choice. It doesn't matter. But we're going to use, actually, probably yeah. These are, that's that so far, and then we can grab this, remove, yes. Okay, then we're gonna throw on a tactical Lazier. If I can bring it back in. Back on, and then extra points for a light blue. So yeah. So that's our primary. And our secondary, so you might say, there's lots of good secondaries to use. The Tatanka, I mean, there's lots of good weapons that are good secondaries, I guess. So I was originally going to use the Grim. The Grim, okay shotgun, I guess. Good for low damage. But because of reasons. No, because you always want an assault weapon. So we're going to use the Tatanka. Modded as such. We're going to have the stubby compressor, or compensator, sorry. No boost. We're going to have auto fire. We're going to have the LED combo. We are going to have the AK rubber grip. And then we are going to have the Seymour sight. I guess that's what it's called. So yeah. And then extra points, freezing joy. So yeah, let's do a heist quick with this grinder build, and yeah, let's see. Actually no, I'll do a heist with this in my next video, with this build. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you liked this video. Come back for more content.